शर्मा बची।
Thank you, Sai, for the food we eat. Thank you, Sai, for the world so sweet. Thank you, Sai, for the birds that sing. Thank you, Sai, for everything. She said to the Sadguru Sai Nath. Go. इसको पानी भी दे दे राजा. Deva slow. Deva. Deva. Go. कारण बोतल काम वाइट वाला प्लग निकाल दे पीछे से. जस्ट निकाल. हाँ अभी बाबा ठीक से. जैसा राजा. अरे अच्छा लुक एट रघु. जैसे ना मैं वो कप हाथ में है. काफी टुडे. Lucky, very lucky. And today we are joined by Deepak ji. Like Kamal, so blessed we are. Super nice, super nice, super nice. Putra, before we go into the tea is running late by 2 minutes, but Nalini, can do Nalini. Look at Nalini also showed. I also have a cup. Sri Satchidananda Sadguru Sai. Putra, today is the prayer day for Nishi's dad also, right? So what we'll do, let's do the Om part first, and then along with the Om. इसको पानी दे दिया बच्चे देखो. That was nice. कल बोतल इसको ना बांध के ले बहुत प्यार से देगा. Otherwise he'll make everybody run. Kitchen man and Veer के साथ. He probably may go out, but
बाबा जी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
राजा ये यहाँ पर चाहिए, otherwise I cannot let do anything. So I had to bribe him to bring him here. Putra, let's start with Om first, and then we'll come on.
मैं भाई स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही
हाँ?
स्क्रीन
क्या नहीं आ रहा राजा?
आपका आ नहीं रहा वीडियो नहीं आ रही दोबारा से कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा
Reconnect कर ले राजा. चलो पुत्र, let's start with Om and then before proceed. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Who all has been following Om? Mm. Oh. Uh-huh.
So
How about you?
by when you say Om, last week you said जिसका भी नाम लेना वो ले सकते हो, right? So मैं like I have a routine every day.
Hmm.
15 मिनट करना है. What do you call that?
We were
Om I do whenever I have a little bit of more time, then I do for.
like we are just requesting that at the if you can like the moment you get up, wake up, if you can just chant that moment, what happens is that because your mind is not very active in the first 30 seconds, right? Minute. So the whole vibration of your body with nature gets to connected. That's what chanting on a regular day routine. You can chant whatever name you want. That's fine. But try if you can. That will help be very helpful to all of you. Putra, today we will proceed before we forget, right? It's her father's birthday today. Nishi's father's birthday. So all of us dedicate our prayers first to her father. Putra, what was father's name?
Swine.
So we will do, so first of all, we'll do Gayatri 11 times for that. Let's pray for her. Swargya Swaranpal ji has, I think, the values they have given to their daughter and their family. See the opportunity today. She's beautifully just taking care of that, even remembering and doing what I can do. We all know the karmic actions are very different in physical form and non-physical form. But our responsibility are for the soul, that our prayers get to the soul and soul gets that peace and journey and that. Let's do Gayatri for him. Om Bhurbhava Swaha Tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nam Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhava Swaha Tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya. Om
Bhurvasvaha
Tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya. Om Bhurbhava Swaha Tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo
na prachodaya.
Om
Bhurvasvaha
Tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya. Om Bhurbhava Swaha Tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo
na prachodaya.
Daya. Om Bhurbhava
Bhurvasvaha
Tasurviturvareniyam
Tasaraturyavareniam
Bhargo
Devasya Dhimahi
Diyo
Yo na prachodaya. Om
Swaha Tasurviturvareniyam
Tasaraturyavareniam
Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya. Om Bhava Swaha Tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo
Devasya
Devasya
Dhimahi
Diyo yo nam prachodaya. Om Bhava Swaha Tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo yo nam prachodaya. Om Shanti 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 Om. बाबा हम सबकी प्रार्थना कृपा कर जिस शरीर का नाम इस संसार में स्वर्गीय स्वरणपाल जी था उनको प्राप्त हो हम सबकी तरफ से। So what is where is the illusion in life? Where do we think is the illusion in life we have? स्नेहपुत्र तू भी कॉफी ले ले चाय ले ले।
I have juice. I just made something with beetroot.
Ah. Acha, look at her. She's also showing Baba on the back. Look at that.
Yeah, that was a painting made by my son's friend, Chinese girl, young girl.
Beautiful.
She did a good job. Yeah.
Putra, what is happening is that there are two things very important to simplify our life. Very simplified. One is called drishti, another is called drishta. Drishti and
Yes.
or what is drishti?
Eyes, obviously.
What we see. And drishta, who sees. Drishti, what we see. Drishta, who sees. आपकी ज्ञान चक्षु खुले नहीं है अभी तक? अच्छा, क्योंकि जिस तरह से आप मुझे निहार रहे थे मैं डर रहा था. मैं दृष्टा बन के देख रहा था, आप दृष्टि बन के देख रहे थे. अच्छा, ठीक है.
तो illusion कहाँ है?
दृष्टि. Putra, what is happening is most of the time we all hear that, you know, hum sanskar hai, we are into world, we have responsibilities, we have this, we have that. All of us, we know this part. We have, and I was talking to the child yesterday also, came up that, you know, the ambitions of life, the responsibilities of life, daily routines of life, where do we get that passion to do certain things? It was very beautiful discussion. And this is a very normal discussion in today's life. Very normal. And the child was very wonderfully said, you know, maybe I'm not there yet. It may take me time to understand this. And what is the challenge? On a day-to-day life, we have ups and downs. A good period, a bad period. I like this, I don't like this, somebody has hurt me, somebody said something to me, I did not get the good comments from my boss today, I did not get a client coming in today, somebody said something is still disturbing me, I don't know how to react to this, you know, people don't understand that. End of the day, I need money to survive. End of the day, I have to have my expenses to be met. End of the day, there is so much that I can't sleep. End of the day, it comes out to be, you know, what is going to be tomorrow. Like looking at all these things, it is so clear of understanding that we are generating our thoughts to get puzzled in this life, nobody else. All these thoughts are generated by us only. Again, not saying this that you should not plan your day to what you need to do, what you should be, you know, where you need to meet, what you need to, everything. Then I remember Baba said one thing in between was that the moment you start understanding that I am just kind of a filter in that code, because the child is a very beautiful designer. She's a very wonderful designer. So Baba said, imagine, think of this. Who gives you that thought of designing? What is that gives you that idea that this should be like this? What is that? It's just your brain. There is something which is guiding you internally to make things happen for you. Now that things may come to you and may not come to you. You may get that, you may not get that. I was so enjoying that conversation. And I think we happened to connect there and said, Baba said, maybe this is what is going on for last 1 week. From last Sunday itself, ki Baba brought up a word saying drishti and drishta. Then kept on thinking, Baba, how do we go more deeper in drishti and drishta? Then yesterday night only, he gave me an article to read. I said, wow, wow, wow. There's a Swamiji in Bombay or somewhere, probably out of Bombay. He had written an article and that somebody has forwarded. And it was all about Maya and Prakriti. It was just about that whole art, 4 pages was just about Maya and Prakriti. And we said, this is what exactly Drishti, Drishta, illusions, and factuals. What do we need to do on a day-to-day life? How do we keep our calm? How do we not get involved what is happening around us? How do we not get affected by what somebody is saying and not saying? The only thing came up is that from our side, from what we do is important. हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हमें क्या करना चाहिए, ये important है. We cannot control nobody. We should not expect nobody. The moment we have these expectations, first of all, we will land into trouble. Why? Then I lost my peace. I will lose, whether it is a family, whether it is a friend, whether it is a colleague, whether it is a partner, whether it is, anybody. So what has happened is, what have I done? I did everything correct. I did not do anything wrong. I did not impact anybody. I did not say a bad word to anybody. Then what did I do? I lost myself. I lost my peace. I lost my concentration. Now what happens? Now my whole day will keep bumping into my thoughts. Whole day we will have an argument and will lose our peace. So-called peace. Whether it could be a customer might have come and said a bad thing to you. Don't know. A passerby on the road. You're standing in a red light. Or somebody may just come and honk you. Like, come on. What happened? What did I do? He probably was in a rush and he wanted you to speed up or give him away. Because he did not have that extra 30-second patience and he was in a rush, he had no other choice but to tell you that how bad you're driving. Nothing you were doing wrong.
But that's what he thinks, that I'm not driving right?
What he is thinking. But you're okay. But what happened is you created that distraction of thought. Hey, what did I do? How come you're honking me? You right away forgot that you were not doing nothing wrong. You reacted to the honk he gave you. Now, the moment you reacted to the honk he gave, your total focus has gone away. And this is what happens at workplace. This is what happens at business. This has happened while on your road. This has happened when you meet your customers. What are we supposed to do? We are just going to be contented to what we are doing. Why? I heard a child yesterday or day before, I don't remember. A day before, I probably feel. A child called up and said that somebody came to meet him and was yelling and screaming. And the child said, I did not react. In normal circumstances, I would have reacted. But since I'm practicing not to lose my calm, I maintained myself. Then what happened? I could think further. Because if I would have got involved in that conversation, I would have not been able to think. I would have not been able to go further. He said, I could do that. And that was beautiful. What did the child do? He acknowledged, he understood, he realized, and he felt, yo, that is effective. Does it make sense? Lili putri. Banana lili putri. So what has happened was that it is up to you. How do you react? Now, as a mother, if you're cooking and your child comes and says, what the heck is this? I don't want to eat this. I want that. Now, the child did not realize because of his behavior, the mother who was having all that thoughts of cooking wonderful will have a distraction of thought. She may be impacted, but all the love she was pouring in the food. What are you supposed to do? Add that spices into your food? No. No. You have to let that be aside. Now, what you did, if somebody reaction comes to you, just leave it there and move on. This is where you got to become a drishta, just person who's observing or watching everything, but not reacting to it. You cannot react. I'm not saying that your reactions will not come naturally, but that is where we need to overcome all these things. Till we are able to overcome what is not acceptable or acceptable, you will always get in some kind of a thought process which will take away your present. Your present will be gone. Now, the moment your present is gone, what is going to happen? The moment your present is gone, what is going to happen?
Gone.
That moment you lost it. You lost that moment, and what did you lose? The focus you had on something is also gone. Putri wants to go out now.
Leash running.
With the leash. So any moment, anytime you can watch this. Supposedly you're cooking something. You forgot. All of a sudden you gave a thought to a phone call which came in. You totally forgot what were you doing that moment. While you were working in the office, while you were doing something. What is most needed is when something from, even if you feel is not right, just keep it away. Just keep yourself away. It is said beautifully, it is said, a human mind starts to think, he starts to only love the things he has created. He only loves those things. He doesn't love anything outside that. Majority of time. What does that mean? My children, my car, and my home. My work, my business is the priority. Whatever is mine, whatever is created by me is priority. That is one of the reasons not every human person is very much involved loving nature. And that is where the person gets away from the nature. And what does it mean? It means from Almighty standpoint, there is no difference because we are part of the nature only. We are part of the nature only. And if we are part of the nature, anything which we create, anything as a human being creates, is ultimately gets to an end. But whatever he has created, not about, I'm talking about all living aspects, I'm talking about the air, the water, the sky, the fire, Mother Earth, the mud, that doesn't go anywhere. The beautiful example came up. If we happen to take the mud, the same mud, create a pot, we give it to the heat, it gets ready, but when it breaks down, that cannot be a mud again. It will not take the shape again. But if Almighty does anything in that form, it gets into that. It takes whatever we decompose, it takes a lot of time. If there is something in recycling, human beings have started to realize this. It takes months. What are we supposed to do? Deepak,
I think
sorry?
you should do thoughts.
Have a high attitude, react to everything, right? Think I'm the boss. Is it not?
They have to be down to earth.
Yeah, but do we do that?
Depend on the situation. Depend on the situation.
नहीं रहा, नहीं रहा. There is no situation is again a mind's perception. In a split second, next person, or I may die. What will the situation do now? If what I'm trying to come up with is that we are binded and bounded by our own thought, as you said, depending on the situation. Who's judging that situation? A brain only, right? A brain is only saying what is good and bad. A brain is only telling you, I don't like this situation. I don't accept this. But the brain is also not trying to tell you, not listening to the soul, don't let that go. Finish it. We may not get the next moment of loving each other. We may not get the next moment of recognizing. We are forgetting that there are certain things which is not in our hands. We are completely forgetting this. My only request to everybody is, before you give a reaction to anything, or before you give a reaction to your brain, sometimes you may not react also. Somebody said something because you know there's no fun reacting. What will you do? You'll keep it here in the brain. And that frustration, where will that come out? Where will that frustration come out? Somewhere.
Your family member.
To a family member, while cooking, while eating, while watching something, it can come out anywhere. Because we could not react there, we have to do reaction somewhere. Now, what does it say? It says the more you become a drishta, somebody who's just watching, let the things pass by. It will become easier. Till the time your eyes are watching, your brain is reacting, you will be responsible for that karmas also. And that is where it is said, it is very important the moment you get up, try and give yourself 5 minutes of chanting Om. First thing. Whole day long, give yourself time. Give yourself time on a regular basis. Give yourself time for cooking. Give yourself time for eating. Give yourself time. We have time for everything except for giving ourselves. We don't have time. And today we will give ourselves time. We will give our time. And what are we going to do today? We are going to do today. I want all of you to enjoy. Be comfortable where you are. Sit comfortably if you can. And let us do chant, just chanting today for some time. Let's chant that out. And what are we going to chant today? We're going to do Gayatri. And we'll do one mala of Gayatri. So be very prepared. Be very comfortable. We're going to do one mala of Gayatri. One mala Gayatri is 108 times we're going to do Gayatri. 3 times and we start with Gayatri. Oh, Om Bhurbhava Swaha Tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nam Prachodayat Om Bhurbhava Swaha Tasurviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Nam Prachodaya Om Bhurvasvaha Tasurviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Nam Prachodaya Om Bhurvava Swaha Tasurviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Nam Prachodayat Om Bhurvava Swaha Tasurviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nam Prachodayat Om Bhurvava Swaha Tasurviturvarenyam Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nam Prachodayat Om Bhurbhava Swaha Tasurviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nam Prachodayat Om Bhurbhava Swaha Tasurviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nam Prachodayat Om Bhurbhava Swaha Tasurviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nam Prachodayat Om Bhurvava Swaha Tasurviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nam Prachodayat Om Bhurvava Swaha Tasurviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nam Prachodayat Om Bhurvava Swaha
वरेण्यं
भर्गो
देवस्य
देवस्य
धीमहि
धियो
यो
यो
न
प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः
प्रचोदयात्
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
वरेण्यं
भर्गो
देवस्य धीमहि
धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो
देवस्य
धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा
तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वाहा तत्सर्वतुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सर्वतोर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नाम प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। मेरा बच्चा, this is, I was thinking this for a very long time. Puत्र, I've been thinking for a very long time. I've been thinking this, that we should be doing Gayatri 108 times, long time. And somehow, last Sunday I thought, Baba, can we do Gayatri? Baba said, okay, let's put it on. This week again we planned, and Baba made it happen. What is most needed is that this is the time when you can give away all your thoughts and everything. If you keep focusing on 108 times what we did, will give you immense peace, immense peace. आपको इतनी शांति मिलती है कि आपको लगता है कि मुझे और कुछ नहीं करना. तेरे को बोल रहे हैं तो उठ के इधर आके बैठ जा. हिंदी. My only request to all of you is that on a day-to-day basis, if all of us can think, do we want to become a human eyes, or do we want to become a drishta? What do we want to become? हम क्या बनना चाहते हैं? दृष्टि या दृष्टा? जी साईं.
What are the requisites to become a drashta?
रिक्वेस्ट क्या होता है पुत्र? मुझे पता नहीं. नहीं, पर रिक्वेस्ट के बड़ा भारी वर्ड है मेरे तो. मतलब ये पढ़े लिखे लोग फंसा देते हैं मेरे को. पुत्र, आप एक बात समझे पहले तो कि हमें परमात्मा ने हमारी खुशी के लिए हमें सब कुछ दिया. हमें परिवार दिया, हमें बच्चे दिए, नाते संबंधी दिए, भाई बहन दिए, सखा दिए, सब कुछ दिया हमें. हमें हमारी सुख सुविधा का सारा सामान हमें दिया. अब आपसे अगर मैं ये सवाल पूछूं कि अगर आज आपको कुछ दो चीजें चुननी हो, आज आपको गाड़ी, घर पर, सबसे पहले किसको दोगे सब कुछ? सर्वस्त्र किसको दोगे? आपका सर्वस्त्र, जो कुछ भी आपके पास आज है, आपको अगर आज बोला कि डैनी अब आपको ये सब आपको देना है अभी इसी क्षण, तो किसको दोगे सब कुछ?
परिवार.
कितना समय लगा विचार करके ये भी बोलने में? राइट अवे नहीं हुआ कि इसको देंगे. 90% तो आप बोल रहे हो, ज्यादातर सभी लोग यही करेंगे. ये नहीं कि आप ही करोगे, सभी ऐसा करेंगे. ये मेरे परिवार का, मेरे बच्चों का, दिस इज ऑल फॉर देम. हम जब परमात्मा से एक फल लेते हैं किसी भी चीज का, है ना, हम क्या करते हैं? उसका जूस बनाते हैं या खाते हैं या वट एवर वी वुड यूटिलाइज दैट. पर परमात्मा क्या करता है? हर फल में, हर चीज में अपना एक बीज छोड़ देता है. ये इसका बीज है. दिस इज द सीड ऑफ दैट. हमें अपना बीज पहचानना है. We need to recognize our seed. This is the requisite.
I didn't get it.
आपका बीज क्या है? एक इंसान का, मानव का बीज क्या होता है?
The spark of life. The spark of life.
And how do you define spark of life?
चैतन्य
चैतन्य। चैतन्य क्या है?
इस बात
His part. तो क्या चैतन्य हमारी उत्पत्ति का कारण नहीं? राइट, तो हमारा बीज हुआ। ये एक ऐसा बीज है जो आत्मा, ये जो सदैव है, ये एक ऐसा चैतन्य है, चित्त है जो सदैव है। वो बीज तक की यात्रा, जो द जर्नी टुवर्ड्स योर ओन सीड इज व्हाट इट इज। A journey to your own seed, what we need to do is that to recognize our seed is the only key.
yes, but on a day-to-day basis, we are drashti kendric. From there to become a drashta centric. What should we do?
But on a day-to-day basis, we discussed this yesterday also, and the pieces of that. Whatever is your day-to-day responsibilities, you need to do that. Whether you need to cook for the family. Suppose Dina Ben has to get up early morning and make sure Dinesh is going, kids are going, she has to cook. Right? That's part of a mother, wife, family responsibility to cook, clean, do whatever. But that is all physical aspects. Everything is physically aspects, right? Like even if you're coming to your work, is physical aspect involved because there's a movement to do something. हमें जो करना है, whatever we need to do in that form, we should do it. Keep on doing it. But internally somewhere, we should make sure कि जो भी हम कर रहे हैं, हमारा कर्तव्य है, हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. End result is nothing to do with it. Good, bad, ugly, nothing to do with it. खाना प्रेम से बनना है, सफाई प्रेम से होनी है. Everything is with love. Your internal should know कि I have to give my best. That's all. जिस दिन आप धीरे धीरे, मान लो हम अपने काम की बात करते हैं, मैं रोज उठता हूं, मुझे पैशन है, जाना है, मुझे करना है, डेफिनेटली करना है, बस करना है. आप तो हमेशा बोलते हो, आप एक बहुत पुरानी बात हमेशा बोलते हो, माली दा कम पानी पाना पर मशका पावे, मालक दा कम फल फूल लाना, लावे या ना लावे. इंसान को लगता है आप ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो कि लगे ना लगे, तो उसकी दृष्टि, लेट्स मॉडिफाई दैट. मॉडिफिकेशन ये है दैट do your all good efforts, do it, just do it. If he thinks this is not good for you, he will not give you. But if you think this is the best for you because you have done everything dedicated to me, I will give you abandon. Take how much you want to take, but remember, whatever I'm giving you, you cannot eat that. I'm just giving you to give an example of the whole part, to understand whatever is there will be left here. If you want to take something from me, take me with you. The day and time you take me with you, you will have to not need nothing in life. And you will still get everything. You will still get everything. But by that time, you will have no interest in anything else. Then you will interest will only be पैसा लगता है न तेरा धेला लगता है, पैसा लगता है न तेरा धेला लगता है, साईं चरण में देख ले अब कैसा लगता है। कुछ नहीं लगता हमारा, कुछ नहीं लगता। It doesn't cost us anything, not even a single penny. It cost us for anything.
When we started today, the question was, where is the illusion?
In us, in our drishti.
Correct. So, it's correct to say that if you remain disillusioned during the day, then you are drashta and not a drishti.
Sorry, come again.
If you remain disillusioned during your active awake hours, then you are drashta and not a drishti.
पुत्र, जिस दिन हमने ये सोच लिया ना कि बाबा आपको उठाया, अब साथ चलो, आपके घर जाना है, आपके घर से आपके काम पे जाना है, और जो मुझे दोगे बेस्ट करूंगा, बेस्ट दूंगा, कुछ नहीं, करता जाऊंगा और करते जाएंगे। धीरे 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 ऐसा आनंद आ जाता है कि समझ आने लगता है मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा।
Exactly. That is disillusionment.
और उसमें आपको एक और मजा आएगा, आपको यही नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा कि चीजें अगले के दरवाजे से आ रही हैं कि पीछे से आ रही हैं, आ कहां से रही हैं। स्थिति में कभी कभी ये भी लगेगा कि बाबा ये क्या हो रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा, ये कैसे हो रहा है। फिर एकदम से झटका आएगा, आनंद ले, आनंद ले। हाँ, ऐसा होगा। इस नाव में भी ऐसा होता है कि कभी कभी क्या होता है कि जो तो जब समुद्र भर में वो किश्ती जो है, इट इज ऑलरेडी विंडी, राइट? अब नाउ द लिटिल बिट बोट इन द होल ओशन थिंक्स आई एम गोइंग टू सिंक, I will sink because there's nothing there, nothing till far off. But how am I going to survive? But what is happening is that wind is basically moving your direction, which you may not see. You may only feel that wind is basically sink. You know, it's not sinking you. It's just taking your direction to go to it. Automatically starts sailing. That's all. Taking you away and taking you in the right direction. This is what will happen. तब मजा आता है. Then you start enjoying it. And the more you start realizing this on a day, you gradually start to grow up. धीरे 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 आप उसके साथ जुड़ते चले जाते हैं और बस हम अपनी यात्रा की ओर बढ़ जाते हैं.
How does one believe in that? Some people, they do not, they believe in God, but then वो भरोसा नहीं होता. वो कैसे डेवलप करें?
भरोसा भगवान पे नहीं, स्वयं पे करना है. स्वयं से मतलब शरीर नहीं, हमारे अंदर जो बीज है, परमात्म तत्व है, चैतन्य है, उस पे है. क्योंकि जब हम उसकी आवाज सुनते हैं, उसकी, तो फिर और कुछ सुनना ही नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि वो सब कुछ बोलता है. हम अपने कान उसको नहीं देते. कुछ भी नहीं करना. I would just request all of you, आप सबसे बहुत निवेदन है, डे टू डे प्लीज ट्राई कि एक दिन ऐसी समाधि मिले, एक ऐसी समाधि मिले कि वो समाधि ही समाधिस्थ हो जाए. वो समाधि ही समाधिस्थ हो जाए. ना मुझे मेरी खबर रहे, न तुझे तेरी खबर रहे, बस कुछ ऐसी लीला हो जाए, समाधि ही समाधिस्थ हो जाए. सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. Have a blessed one, Raja. All of you have a very blessed one. Very blessed.